Okay, I wanted to try and post another video to see if any of you experts can tell me where my vacuum leak or why I'm running really lean, where the vacuum leak may be. This is the Vacuum Advance, and it runs all the way up front. I've seen some pictures put it here, and I'm not sure if maybe I should do that or not. What else? There's tons of vacuum lines that I already have plugged. See these here? These in the back, I'm not even sure what these are, but they were never in use as far as I know. This has been capped off, and it looks like it's got some RTV and some gaskets. I've tried spraying carb fluid all the way around there, and I can't get any higher RPMs, although it's running full choke, so it's already running high at RPMs, usually around 2,000. As soon as I open the choke, it's just idle. It won't idle at all. It just dies. I'm not sure exactly what else I should show. My automatic choke isn't working, so I'm trying to mess around with that a little bit. And I don't really know what this does yet. I haven't researched it. I don't know if this means anything or anything down here. There's something there, but it's blocked off, and I don't think that does anything. Anyways, I hope that will help a little. It's an old engine, but I'd like to at least get it to run until winter until I can put my fuel injected engine in. Anyways, hope y'all can help. Thanks. Bye.